On the morning of October 5, 1999, at approximately 8:06 a.m, a routine commuter journey from London's Paddington Station turned catastrophic, marking one of the darkest days in British rail history. This is the story of the Ladbroke Grove Rail Disaster, a tragedy that claimed 31 lives and injured over 400 others. Michael Hodder, a recently qualified driver for Thames Trains, was at the helm of a Class 165 diesel multiple unit, preparing for its 8:06 a.m. departure to Bedwyn, Wiltshire. Concurrently, an intercity 125 high-speed train, operated by First Great Western and driven by the experienced Brian Cooper, was en route to Paddington from Cheltenham. As Hodder's train departed, it encountered signal SN109, displaying a red aspect, a signal to stop. Tragically, the train passed this signal at danger, SPAD or SPAD, leading to a head-on collision with the incoming intercity service at Ladbroke Grove Junction. Several critical issues contributed to this disaster. Signal visibility. Signal SN109 had been identified as problematic, having been passed at danger 8 times in the 6 years preceding the crash. Its positioning and visibility were compromised, especially during certain lighting conditions. Driver training. Michael Hodder had qualified as a driver merely 2 weeks before the incident. Investigations revealed deficiencies in the training program, particularly concerning route familiarisation and handling complex signalling scenarios. Safety systems. The absence of an automatic train protection ATP system was a significant oversight. Such a system could have automatically halted the train before it passed the red signal, potentially preventing the collision. The impact resulted in a devastating fireball, primarily due to ruptured fuel tanks. Both drivers and 29 passengers lost their lives, with many others suffering severe injuries. The severity of the crash underscored glaring inadequacies in rail safety protocols and infrastructure. The public inquiry, led by Lord Cullen, brought to light numerous failings, from inadequate driver training to the lack of effective safety systems. This tragedy served as a catalyst for comprehensive reforms in the UK rail industry, including the accelerated implementation of the Train Protection and Warning System, TPWS, and a re-evaluation of safety management practices. The Ladbroke Grove Rail Disaster remains a sombre reminder of the catastrophic consequences that can arise from systemic failures. It also stands as a testament to the resilience and commitment to safety improvements in the aftermath of tragedy. Thank you for watching. To stay informed about important topics like this, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.